All right, we're finding a second lick in obla-dee, obla-da. It's on the bridge, and it's this. In a couple of years, they have built a home, sweet home. That's the thing that we're doing. And we listened to the video of the Beatles doing this, and we copped that lick. We identified the notes as A, G, A, G, 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 F, 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 E flat, E flat. But now we're attaching it to the chords. The two chords that this lick is part of is one measure of F and one measure of F7. You might notice that when we make that F7, what is the note we're holding down? Da, 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 da. Is that E flat? Woo! This is why when I'm doing chord melody, I lay the chords down. because because chances are some of the notes are already there. I don't have to do anything, they're already there. Okay, so here's our F. I'm doing a roll or a block chord. Ba, ba, ba. So that first downbeat, the whole chord. Ba, ba, and then the rest of it, single notes. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, we discovered the next note in this lick is a G. So I have to take my baby finger, and I'm making my G note. It's in the 3rd fret on the E string. We're getting to know that one pretty well. Now, this is a sort of chord melody thing. The melody has to be the highest pitch. So what string can we not play now?
A string.
That's right. So it's going to have to be the bottom 3 strings. So let's put that together. 2, 3, 4. La, la. We discovered the next note is an F. Da, 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 da. Is that in the F chord? Like, duh. It's right there. So we don't have to do anything with our left hand but make the chord. And what string is it on? The E string. So again, the bottom 3 strings where we pluck. Let's put those together. 2, 3, 4. Last note, E flat. Oh my God. Let's make an F7. Is the E flat in the F7? Yes, it is. The E flat is what makes an F and F7. What string is this happening on? The C string.
E string.
So what 2 strings can we not play?
E and A.
That's it. So you see, as we're going down in pitch, we have less opportunity for harmony. But you know, the definition of a chord, my understanding, is 2 or more notes. So we're still doing a chord. So I'm pinching to catch that E flat note. I am pinching the G string and the C string, like so. Pinch, pinch. Okay, let's try it together. 2, 3, 4. So you hear how I'm doing harmony. Da, 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 da. So harmony, 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 harmony. I want to try it with the drum because, you know, we want to practice in the pocket. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to slow down even more. I'm going to really slow it down. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. All right, let's do verse, let's do chorus 2 to the bridge. Chorus 2. Obla-dee, obla-da, life goes on, brah. La la, how the life goes on. Obla-dee, obla-da, life goes on, brah. La la, how the life goes on. Bridge. In a couple of years, they have built a home, sweet home. With a couple of kids running through the yard of Desmond and Molly Jones. Ha, 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 ha. Happy ever after in the marketplace. Desmond lets the children lend a hand. It's our other lick. Molly stays at home and does her pretty face, and in the evening she still sings it with the band. Obla-dee, obla-da, life goes on, brah. La la, how the life goes on. Obla-dee, obla-da, life goes on, brah. La la, how the life goes on. All right, second bridge. In a couple of years, they have built a home, sweet home. With a couple of kids running through the yard of Desmond and Molly Jones. Ha, 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 ha. Happy ever after in the marketplace. Molly lets the children lend a hand. Desmond stays at home and does his pretty face, and in the evening she's the singer in the band. Obla-dee, obla-da, life goes on, brah. La la, how the life goes on. Obla-dee, obla-da, life goes on, brah. La la, how the life goes on. If you want some fun, I sing obla-dee, blah-da. Or however we ended it. There we go. Wow. All right.